Want to heat up your room instantly with a plug-in gadget? Today we're reviewing the Cozyllo Heater. Does it really heat up your space in 10 minutes or is it just overhyped marketing? Let's break it down. So the Cozyllo Heater is marketed as a compact plug-in wall heater that turns any outlet into a heat source and claims it'll warm up a room in just 10 minutes, promising big savings on your heating bill, adjustable thermostat, timer functions, and whisper quiet operation. It sounds impressive. But all we have for proof is the brand's sales page. Here's what looks good at first glance. Easy setup. You just plug it into the wall socket. No cords or bulky unit on the floor. Claims to have an adjustable thermostat and built-in timer, which could be useful if they actually work. Advertised as compact and space-saving. Perfect if you hate large heaters taking up room. These features sound handy, but they're only as good as the real performance. Now the reality, there's no independent testing or verified user reviews from reputable sites proving this really heats up a whole room in 10 minutes, and the claim matches the pattern of other overhyped heater ads. Many similar plug-in and ultra-cheap heater schemes exaggerate heating speed and energy savings. Real physics and heat output measurements matter far more than ads suggest. Some heaters promoted with viral marketing that resemble Cozyllo products have been linked to disappointing performance and difficulty getting refunds. In general, tiny plug-in units often struggle to truly warm larger areas. Real quick heat usually needs more power and airflow than these gadgets can realistically provide. So does Cozyllo Heater actually heat your room in 10 minutes? Probably not reliably. The claim comes directly from the sales page with no independent verification, and similar products often fall short of advertised performance. It might add a little warmth in a tiny space, but don't expect big results before the brand proves it with real user reviews or third-party testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.